Hello everyone! In this short video, I would want to show you how to fix the error expression has changed after it was checked. First, let us suppose we have the following simple user interface. We can translate this to components in the following way. Here we have a button component, label component, and an app component. Angular is going to operate over the following component tree. Under the hood, the label component has a single binding to the title property. Now let us suppose that the user clicks on the button. At this point, Angular will perform change detection. This means that it will traverse the component tree and check if any of the bindings in any of the components there have changed. First, Angular will visit the app component. We don't have any bindings there. Next, Angular will visit the label component. Here we have a single binding to the title property. The title property has value hello world. No need to update the UI since there are no change compared to the previous value. If Angular is running in development mode, it will remember the value of the title property. Next, Angular will perform change detection in the button component. Imagine while doing that, the button component updates the title property in the label component. This will cause the error expression has changed after it was checked. Now let us see how we can fix this error in a real application. Here we have a broken Angular app. The spinner rotates, but absolutely nothing is happening. If we open the console, we're going to see an error. Notice that we also have a stack trace. The stack trace lists all different functions that Angular called until it hit the exception. One of these functions is a template of the app component. When we click there, we will get redirected to the exact binding which changed after it was checked. This looks like a problem with the label property. Let us go to the app component's TypeScript file and set breakpoints everywhere where we're changing it. When we refresh the browser, we can observe the execution. First, we set the loading property in the constructor. Next, we set it in the ng after viewing it, and right after that we're getting an error. This means that we set the property in ng after viewing it after Angular has checked it. Let us go to VS Code and remove this property. When we go back to the browser and refresh, we'll see that the error is now gone.